Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and I love doing DIYs fashion clothes and sewing tutorials, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I have a new video. So for today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to make a tulle skirt requested by my daughter. This skirt is really easy to make and I'm gonna show you how to make it, so keep on watching. I've got here a 1 yard of tulle fabric, a recycled fabric from men's polo shirt. This is going to be the lining for the skirt, and lastly a waistband. So first thing I did is to measure how long you want your skirt to be. So example, mine is from my daughter waistline to her knees, and add 3 cm for the seam allowance, and measure around the waistline and add 95 cm for the scattered edges. And for the lining, measure how long you want the skirt to be, like we did for the tulle fabric, minus 2 cm. The tulle fabric have to be a bit more long than the lining fabric. I measure the waistline and add 65 cm. Next, fold the tulle fabric in half, right side facing together, then sew the side. Do the same thing for the lining. Make sure to zigzag stitch all the raw edges across the top of the fabric. Next, at the top of the fabric, we're going to make some gutters. To create some gutter, you can easily do this by hands by making a very long stitches across the top of the fabric using a needle and a thread. Then check the width of the lining. They have to be the same size before we're going to attach them together. Turn the lining and tulle fabric at the good side. Slide the lining fabric in the tulle fabric like this. Arrange and pin all around, then sew them together. Now we're going to attach the waistband onto the skirt. Mark the two sides of the waistband and the skirt. Align the two marks together like this. Stretch the waistband and sew all around. Last thing to do is to hem all the raw edges across the bottom of the skirt by folding them twice. Pin and sew all around. Do the same thing for the lining. And we're finished. And here's the finished product.